All right, so today you're going to practice some more of what we started yesterday, using those function machines in order to find an output given an input, but also going the other way, find the input given an output. You're going to be doing 1-55 for part of the assignment today. I just wanted to go through one of them with you and show you what the work should look like and what you may find. So I'm doing 1-55D. It says x is equal to -2, and then we're going to plug, we want that input of -2 and see what happens, what kind of output we get when we plug -2 into this function machine. So I'm going to rewrite the f of -2 is equal to the square root of -2 plus 1. So can you take a square root of -2? This is impossible, right? Because square root means to find what number when multiplied by itself is equal to that number underneath the radical sign. Well, there is no number that you can multiply by itself that it would give you -2. You could find the square root of 2, which I think is approximately 1.4. It's an irrational number, and you could find that by using your calculator. But if you plugged in your calculator trying to find the square root of a negative number, that's not going to work. And it's not going to work because remember, a negative times a positive is always equal to a negative. The only way that you can get a negative product is by having a negative and a positive, different signs. So there is no number that could have that you could multiply by itself and it would equal a negative number. So when you see something like that, you would say f of -2 is impossible. And it's impossible because you cannot square root a negative number. Okay. So hopefully that gets you started. If you're not sure, if you're not sure how to do this, I did post an example how to go through 1-53. I went through that one. So you'll have a bunch more of these to practice. Okay, go to it.